day, guys, I'm telling you to stop buying these foods. Please, I'm begging you. They are so expensive, and this is what is driving your grocery bill sky high. Stop buying these foods now, and you will save thousands on your grocery bill every single year. Number one, snack cakes. Okay, everybody loves the little prepackaged snack cakes, desserts. I get that, but guys, these are super expensive. Stop buying them. Just use some recipes from our Dining on a Dime cookbook, or go to our website, livingonadime.com, and you can make your own homemade granola bars, your own coffee cakes, your own 3-ingredient donuts, and it doesn't take very long. I'm a lazy, tired cook. I don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen, so I try to make all my recipes quick and easy. Snack cakes is something you can make really super easy, just making muffins at home, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money. The next one is Gatorade. Yes, Gatorade is a huge waste of money. It's just glorified Kool-Aid is all it is. It really is, guys. You can get electrolytes in a little bottle. Just make you up some flavored water, some Kool-Aid water, or just put some Kool-Aid in some water and add these electrolyte drops. It's literally pennies. We're talking like 5 cents for one serving, maybe not even that much, maybe just a couple of cents. For one serving of these electrolytes, I just buy them by the bottle, put in the few drops that I need, and then I have my pre-made electrolytes, and I have saved a lot of money not buying Gatorade. Milk. Milk is not used for drinking in my house. I know, gasp. Everyone just take a moment and gasp together, but I never have allowed my kids to drink milk, ever. Occasionally I would give them chocolate milk or maybe hot cocoa, but they don't just sit down at a meal and drink a glass of milk. They just don't get thirsty and go get a glass of milk. Milk is used in cereal and baking in my house, and that is pretty much it. My kids do not get unlimited milk. No, drinking more milk is not going to give you more vitamins and minerals. Kids need a certain amount of milk servings every day between the yogurt and the cheeses and the milk that parents give them. They get way more than they need. What do we use instead? Water. My kids, if they're thirsty, they can get a glass of water. The same goes with juice. Juice is a treat in our house and not a staple. I only buy juice when it's on sale, and then I limit my kids to 1 glass of juice when we get it a day. But my kids have never just had unlimited juice to drink. Once again, water. We never buy juice, and probably have saved $500 to $600 at least on our grocery bill every year by not buying juice. Prepackaged chips. Yes, this is another big one. Guys, it literally takes 20 seconds to put a handful of chips in a little baggie. Stop buying the prepackaged chips. These are a huge waste of money. First of all, you don't need the chips in the first place. Second of all, if you do have chips, limit the amount of chips that you let your kids eat. My kids get 1 bag of chips a week, and once it's gone, I don't buy more. If they eat them all right away, then they're gone. But for lunches and stuff, I prepackage them into little baggies myself. I have never, ever bought prepackaged chips, and I have probably saved hundreds on my grocery bill. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables. This is another huge money waster for groceries. Guys, it really takes 2 to 5 minutes to cut up your fruits and vegetables. It does not take long at all. It is not worth the extra expense to pay for cut up fruits and vegetables. So stop wasting your money on these convenience foods. Fancy granola bars. Guys, I do buy the cheapy granola bars because all they are is a glorified cookie. I mean, you gotta admit it. Even the fancy protein and all the Cliff bars and Kind bars and all this other stuff, guys, they're just a glorified cookie is all they are. You don't need the expensive granola bars. Yeah, they taste good. I'm not going to tell you they don't taste good, but you could make the same thing at home for a quarter of the price. Stop buying things like the expensive granola bars. Instead, if you're going hiking or whatever, just make yourself a sandwich. Just make yourself a turkey sandwich and take it. That would be a lot cheaper than the granola bar and a lot healthier for you. Yogurt cups and packets and all of that. Guys, Dining on a Dime Volume 1 has how to make yogurt. Dining on a Dime Volume 2 has how to make Greek yogurt. Did you know you can make yogurt at home for a quarter of the price of buying it at the store? You can. And it's super, super easy and not time consuming at all. It's really super easy. But if you're gonna buy yogurt at the store, that's fine. Get the bigger tubs of yogurt and stop buying the little individual yogurt cups and Go-Gurt type things. Guys, those are a huge waste of money. Huge waste of money. It's 7 cents an ounce for regular yogurt and 14 cents an ounce for the little stick packets of Go-Gurt and stuff. Guys, why are you paying double? You don't need to pay double. You really don't. Have the kids eat before you leave. Kids do not need to be having all of these snacks in the car all the time. When my mom was growing up, they never ate in the car. You didn't ever just drag water bottles and juice boxes and all this stuff all the time. If you're doing that, maybe you need to think about cutting back on some of the activities you're doing. Sorry, I know this is a little bit of tough love, but maybe you should cut back on some of those activities so you're not always running yourself ragged and you can be at home, eat proper meals at home, and then go out, because all of these convenience foods are just destroying your grocery bill. Before I get to the next one, guys, if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm to know that you like these videos and it will show it to more people. So we really appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed and hit that notification bell. All right, the next one is fancy breads. I know I get a lot of flack when I say just eat the $1.34 Walmart bread, but guys, really, it is not worth the cost to spend $5 for a loaf versus $1.34 a loaf. It is just not worth the expense. Just stop eating so much food if you want to eat healthier, okay? Just cut back on the amount of food you're eating. I get the healthy bread, but if you're in debt or in hock up to your eyeballs, you need to be cutting back on your grocery bill. It is one place that you can cut back on. You can cut back on. And one of the ways is to stop buying your 12 grain, 12 nut loaf bread. Yeah, it's just really not worth it. If you guys need more ideas and tips on how to save money on your grocery bill, go watch this video next and check the links in the description below and visit us at livingonadime.com. We will see you guys next time.